In physics, escape velocity is the minimum speed required for a free, non-propelled object to escape from the gravitational influence of a massive body, that is, to achieve an infinite distance from it. Escape velocity is a function of the mass of the body and distance to the center of mass of the body. To find the escape velocity, apply energy conservation. Kinetic energy initial plus potential energy initial equals kinetic energy final plus potential energy final, half into mass into velocity squared initial plus mass into gravity into height initial equals half mass into velocity squared final plus mass into gravity into height final. As we know the value of small g, that is 9.8 meter per second square, but when we take formula into consideration it looks something like this. Small g equals under root capital G capital M divided by radius of Earth, where capital G is gravitational constant. Its value is numerical value 6.67430 by 10 to 11 cubic meters kg1s2. Capital R is radius of Earth, which is 6,400, and capital M mass of Earth. Now by solving for v, that is velocity, the formula gets protrudes out is of escape velocity from the surface of Earth.